call me over, I'ma give you what you want. Faded cause I'm blazing something strong. We can turn up on that Henny, keep on sipping till it's gone. Hold it up, girl, tonight it's all about you and I. Want it now, got you tripping cause you love this shit. I'ma hit it till you feel like you. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, hey girl, how you doing? So y'all, today's video is going to be short. I am only cleaning my living room and my dining room. I already moved my couch and like the table back and everything. So I'm in the living room. It's kind of empty right here. It's empty. This stuff over here is like our office area. Where hubby office area. So I'm about to hop in the shower now. I just brushed my teeth, washed my face. I'm just now really moving around. It's 1:31, y'all. And if I didn't tell you, today is Sunday, like the 25th, I believe. That's not in this video. Look at Chiann. Y'all know Big Back talking about she want to go get some ice cream. So she cleaning the kitchen right now. So that's why I don't have to do that. Putting these kids to work this weekend. She talking about I play. You say, are we what?
Are we going to the store today?
I don't know. Maybe. Ross is by the ice cream place.
Yeah.
I have you on camera.
Oh, hey guys. I was wondering why the flash was towards me.
I don't know what type of sweeping she's doing, but she's doing it. Like, the way you holding the broom is crazy. Make sure you do the mats. So y'all, my breath is feeling fresh. Let me get in the shower, throw on my little my little set. And I will see y'all in a minute to get this cleaning going. Bye.
One hour later.
I mean, will I ever see you again? Whoa, love, where you been? I've been missing you, old friend. And I wonder if you feel the same. I miss the feeling you bring, and the song that you made me sing, and the smiles in the morning. Now you're gone in the morning, so come back to me. Please come back to me, 'cause I miss the magic. This time I won't take you for granted. Oh, love, come back to me. Where are you now that I'm ready? Long time no see. Long time no see. Been a while since I felt so strong. I'm telling you, much too long. Long time no see, yeah. Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time
everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. So dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat and lose winning. It took me some time, but now I moved on. But I
2 hours later.
Okay, y'all, I am done with the living room and the dining room. Now I showed y'all this had broke. I started to throw it away, but I'm gonna still just put it back under my table, and I'm gonna think of some decor, some new decor for my living room, because this stuff actually came from my last place that I had, and when we moved here, right when I was like about to get started planning for my decor in here, we had water damage. So my bedroom, like everything was in the living room. So I was not motivated to get back on it once the water damage was complete and finished and everything. So I think now I'm ready to do it. I don't even want burgundy and like black no more. If y'all had some suggestions, y'all let me know what y'all think I should do. I know I want to keep my black mantles, so I might still do black, but I know I want a new couch. I want to put a rug in here. I want some new pictures. I don't know if I want to do it like how I'm going to do my bedroom, which is the green and gold. Because black do go with that, but I don't know. Or maybe just like black and white in here. But then I don't want to get no rug that's white because the dog mainly be in the living room. Even though he's trained and he has his own area, I still don't even want to play like that because I also have to tie in my living room with my dining room. And I already have the black and white pictures on the wall that says family. I do want to keep that. So I know black and white is going to be in here somewhere. My bar stools, I do not want those. I might either paint them black or get some new ones. I don't know. But it's like the cheers is like that brownish tannish color, but then the table is like a dark brown. So that does not match. It kind of goes with the kitchen, like a little bit, but the colors is still off. And I'm not getting rid of my table. That thing cost too much and I only had it a year. Not getting rid of that. So I don't know. I need to see what I want to do. But let me show y'all. So the dining room is complete. Don't mind my shoes over there. So that's complete. I wiped down the bar and the mirror. I also need to start doing that as well. I want to get a sign to go up there, like D-Dub's bar or something like that. I cleaned the dog bowl, filled it with water, cleaned the mat off. I need to put the mop up, and I need to put this back over here because I'm washing right now. So yeah, y'all, I'm washing. Well, I'm actually done. The dog bed and his hoodie is in the dryer. So this stuff is drying. I need to find a place for like my laundry area inside the house, because y'all know my washing dryer is outside. I'm not sitting my clean clothes outside because it get that outside smell and ain't nobody got time for that. So this is where I bring the clothes to dry right here. So yeah, I just need to put my mop up. Let me show y'all the living room. So y'all know that stuff in that corner is some of my room decor. So, you know, I mopped, wiped down the couch. Did the table. Let's get a view of it. If that wasn't right there, it'll look better here. Okay, y'all, so for right now, that's it. I'm thinking about wiping down my bathroom. If not, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
A few moments later.
Change of plans, y'all. I'm not doing my bathroom. I'm walking into Ross with Chiann. And then she's getting some ice cream from Handel's. And I'm going to get me a tostada salad from El Pollo Loco. Go ahead. Good. Hello, thank you.
I mean stay. But that's okay, cause he know me that way. Insecure, be going through his phone. And he don't even get mad when I'm wrong. And I never thought I'd find someone who could free my mind. And he be acting a fool and he know what to do with it. Cause this one he gives me. This dude he gives me. His love is all in me. Cause this dude he gives me. He don't disappoint me. Before I say it, he know it. Before I kiss him, he gives me. Somebody finally gives me. He know I ain't perfect, but he know I'm worth it.
DJ J-Rock, blazing R&B, homie.
I can be so damn mean, yeah. And if he could change all my flaws, he wouldn't change them cause that's what he loves. And what I lack, he make up for. He's just what I need.
Yeah, I just walked in my house. When I tell you it smells so fresh, that's what I love. I got hubby some ice cream. This is monkey business flavor. Y'all, hubby and these kids is addicted to this ice cream. The last 2 times I did not get me any. I'm trying to put this in the freezer. Put these pork chops out for dinner. I did not get me any. I don't be in the mood for ice cream because y'all know I'm on the Zepbound injection. I do have me a tostada salad I'm about to eat because it's like 4 o'clock. It's 4:31 and I haven't eaten anything today. So this is what I'm about to eat. So that will be it for this video. I know it was short. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about Busy Ree. And I will see y'all next weekend. Bye.